Hi everyone, welcome to Travel Tuesday. Thanks for joining us today. This week's topic is defined terms. This is something that gets overlooked a lot when it comes to applications and policies, so we're going to touch on this here. So some of the most common questions: what terms are defined? And where do I find a list of definitions? Why are definitions different between insurance policies? And how do I know if a medical definition applies to me? Now, many terms are defined, and the definitions can be found many places. There are definitions that appear on the application that will define and break down what constitutes a certain medical condition or what the term treatment means, for example. There are also defined terms within the policy that outline specifics of the policy terms. For example, the term deductible will hold a definition in the policy. So defined terms are listed. Anywhere a defined term is listed, there must be a definition of it somewhere on the same document. So for example, if there are defined terms listed on the application, there must be a list of those specific definitions on the application itself. You will find a section of the policy dedicated towards definitions as well. And you can usually tell if a term holds a definition, as there will be something different about the word in the wording font. Typically, it uses italics or something similar to that. And then you can use that to then refer to the definition area of the policy. Definitions can differ. So the truth is, definitions can change between different insurance companies, and this can cause a lot of confusion for customers when shopping around and reviewing policies. The definition of treatment causes a lot of confusion because different companies consider some types of testing and procedures as treatment and others don't. So it's important to discuss this with your agent if you have any doubt as to if you fall under their specific definition or not. We wish all definitions were consistent regardless of the company you purchase with, as it would make it far less confusing for you and much easier for us. However, as it stands right now, it's just not the way it is. And consult your medical files. If you're questioning whether a definition applies to you, consult your doctor or medical history before providing an answer. Depending on the question, your agent may be able to assist you, but if it requires information located in your medical history, only you and your doctor have access to that information. So calling your agent is a good place to start, but they can always direct you from there. They might send you back to your doctor for the answer. And know before you go, thanks for checking us out. We're the Travel Insurance Office Incorporated, insuring traveling Canadians since 1991. You can find us online at travelinsuranceoffice.com or by phone at 1-800-550-1295. Have a wonderful week.